Lesson 2.4 Anak Krakatoa. Part 1. Krakatoa is an island in the Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatra in Indonesia. It's known for its volcano which erupts regularly. What is a volcano? A volcano is a crack or opening in the Earth's crust. It is known for its volcano which erupts regularly. There is hot molten rock near the Earth's center. Sometimes it rises to the surface of the Earth through such a crack or opening and flows out. When this happens, we say that the volcano has erupted. A volcanic eruption happens on a tremendous scale. Big, glowing, burning chunks of rock and red hot lava are thrown out of the crack in the earth. Chunk means roughly cut lump. Very hot mud and ash are also thrown out. A great volcanic eruption can change the landform in an area. Volcanoes are popularly classified into three categories. They are active volcanoes. Active volcanoes erupt regularly. Dormant volcanoes means temporarily inactive or in a deep sleep. We find information about the eruption of these volcanoes in history, but now they are quiet. Extinct volcanoes. Geographers can guess by looking at the rock formation that they used to erupt long ago, but there is no record of it in history. Extinct means not existing now. An extinct volcano is unlikely to erupt again. Krakatoa is an active volcano. It has erupted many times, causing great disasters. The worst of the eruption took place in August 1883. The volcano erupted with such a loud boom that it was heard more than 3,500 kilometers away in Australia. It is believed to be the loudest sound that man has ever heard. The dust that was thrown up in the eruption rose to about 80 kilometers in the sky. It spread in the sky around the world and later settled in different parts of the world. Thousands of kilometers away. The eruption caused giant waves or tsunamis in the sea near the island. About 165 villages and towns were destroyed due to the eruption. The eruption destroyed 2/3 of the island of Krakatoa. It collapsed beneath the surface of the sea, creating a huge underwater crater or hole. The hole was more than 6 kilometers wide. Then in 1927, a plume of smoke rose out of the water on the crater. Plume means a long cloud of smoke or vapor resembling a feather as it spreads from its point of origin. It was followed by another eruption. A few days later, a new island volcano broke water. How did it happen?